straight, no frills. What I think might pay the bills. Spit on the cam like Machiavelli. Came home in the 2011. Pasadena John calling me, really ain't know where none of this shit was headed.
I didn't even know.
Intellect not gon' protect me. Bro just crashed, fucked up his Dodge. Now he's shopping for another heaven.
Wow, that was so great.
Yeah.
Now what are we gonna do?
You mean we?
What the f? We just had sex.
Yeah. Thanks, by the way. I'm off to Dave and Buster's, so. You know what? Just get the f out of my car, bitch. Oh, shit.
Freddy Cougar and this that raw shit, dead body chopped up in the sewer. From the father Jeffrey Dahmer, baby mama said the kicks beat like the brown lip bomb that was made for me.
You seem to be going a little fast there.
Tapping up that extra shit, I shoved bastard down your throat, regurgitate my excrement. Them two dope.
Can you turn off the music?
Like boys and berries, meek and scary turn his.
Oh, yeah. What were you saying?
You have to slow down, young man. Have you been drinking?
No.
Okay. So what's that?
My heroin?
Fortunately, I have to write you up for speeding.
In LA, please baby, no more parties in LA, no more, please, hey baby, you forget your rape.
What the fuck?
Hey bitch, put me in tan. It was more than soft porn for the king, man. She remember my sprinters and I was in the great van. Little cutie, I like you boozy booty. America by Domi. Well, slick a movie. Hell, you know my repertoire is like a wrestler. Show you the rope, connect the dots.
You have the right to remain silent.
Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols. Take off the runway. Take off the Cairo. Take off the Sands pay 5 days straight. People put a meal, tell it follow. Take off the fuck flag. Take off perception. Take off the clock with the hot pad. Take off the hello. Take off the unsure. Take off the stations.